In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are using the account connected to the Marketplace activity where you want to manage payments, since payment settings are tied to your Facebook profile. After you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens the main account menu where you can access your settings and payment options. From there, choose Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. This will take you to the area where Facebook stores your account preferences and financial settings. Inside Settings, look for Meta Pay, or in some versions of Facebook, Orders and Payments. The name can vary slightly depending on your region or the current version of the platform, but both options lead you to the same general place for managing payment details. Click that section to continue. Next, find and select payment methods. This is where Facebook lists any cards or payment options already connected to your account. If you have not added one before, this section may be empty. Either way, you should see an option labeled Add Payment Method. Click on that to begin entering your new payment details. Now type in your payment information carefully. This usually includes the card details or other billing information required by Facebook. Take a moment to double check everything before moving on, because even a small typing mistake can prevent the payment method from being accepted later. Once all the information has been entered correctly, click Save. Facebook should then store the payment method in your account so it can be used with Marketplace and other supported Meta services. If you cannot add a payment method, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure the payment information is entered exactly as it appears on your card or billing account. Also confirm that your browser is updated and that Facebook is fully loaded before saving. In some cases,